The next chapter that we examine in the book of purity is Al-Haydh wal-Istihadha wal-Nifas. This is an important chapter that has many details and branches. And when we examine the narrations, sometimes the narrations are not so clear. And that's why scholars have so many different opinions in this particular chapter. Now in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 222, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala addresses the female monthly cycle, the menstruation, which we call Haydh. Haydh is that period in which a woman does not pray. There are certain laws that apply to her. And a woman who is in that state, in Islamic law, we call her Haydh. We'll write those words so we can be familiar with them.